How to get $140 DoorDash coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in DoorDash coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for DoorDash. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 15% off, $10 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on redeem at DoorDash. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for DoorDash. To grab any of the offer, you have to use the same exact steps. Likewise, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, groupon.com, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for DoorDash. So this is how you can easily get up to $140 working coupon code for DoorDash. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.